You can insert a table into Google Drawings the same way you would insert them into docs or slides. Using the Insert menu, click Table and you will see a grid. You have the ability to expand out to a 20 column by 20 row table. If you need more rows and columns, I'll show you how you can do that in a moment. I'm going to stick with a 3x4 table. When your table gets loaded onto your canvas, you can pick it up by using your mouse and drag it into place. Your columns are automatically sized to be equal, but you can resize by hovering your mouse over the line and dragging to the left or the right. You can also resize your rows in the same manner. If you determine you would like another row, you can right-click in the row and insert a row above or below. The same can be done for columns. You can insert a column to the left, to the right. If you want to delete a column or row, right-click in it, and you can either delete the row, the column, or even the whole table. If you found that you resized your table and you want them all to be the same size, you can highlight them all by using your mouse, right-click, and distribute the rows. You will see that your rows are all now the same size. The same can be done for column by highlighting, right-clicking, and distribute columns. And now your columns are all the same size. If you would like these two columns to be the same size while this one stays this size, highlight those two columns, right-click, and distribute columns. Now you can see column 1 and 2 are the same size, while column 3 stayed its original size. Once you've added text into your table, you can format it. Highlight it, and you will see the text formatting tools from font style, font size, bold, italic, underline, font color, as well as the ability to highlight. You can also align it to the center, the left, the right, or even justification. If you want the text to be in the center of the cell, you can use this tool here to center to the middle. If you want the cell itself to be one full color, highlight the column, row, or cell and come to the fill bucket. And then you can choose a color to fill the cell in. You can then come back in and change the color of your font. If you want to change the color of your borders, highlight and come to your border color here and change the color of your border. You can also change the thickness as needed. In addition, you can change the border dash if you would like it to be more dashed. Once you have your table formatted and you click off of it, this perimeter will disappear, and you'll have a nice neat table on your Google Drawing.